It looks like Samsung won't be including their own Exynos processor on the upcoming Galaxy Fold. Huawei accidentally spilled the beans and confirmed everything we need to know about the Huawei P30 Pro, and AT&T's controversial 5G network is as powerful as other LTE networks in America. I'm Jaime Rivera, and while you party on Friday, I'll be catching a flight, but expect P30 Pro coverage very soon. This is Pocketnow Daily, brought to you by the Honor View 20. The official news today begin with things that actually aren't official just yet, as we hear that Apple is not necessarily just going to revamp their whole streaming services, but apparently their new services might be included, up to the point where we hear that companies like Vox Media have already been signed up for this, which I actually find awesome. I love their videos, by the way. It's a really great YouTube channel, but also their reporting is really good, so let's see what we get in the end. Now let's talk about Facebook and another shady practices. Actually, it's been uncovered that the company kept passwords from millions of users in plain text with access of up to 20,000 employees to the service. And the reason why is because apparently they were having issues and glitches, and therefore I guess it was smarter to just copy your password and keep it visible to their employees for whatever reason. Obviously, Facebook hasn't really pronounced themselves about this, or what? Oh my God, just change your passwords, guys, or do yourself a favor, follow me. I'm gonna cancel my Facebook account. Now let's talk about AT&T and their 5G network, as OpenSignal has just run some tests on their new 5G with Galaxy phones and iPhones that are already providing the 5G indication. According to the results, it seems that 5G is pretty much just as fast as LTE. They did notice some improvements, but obviously AT&T's network wasn't necessarily perfect, so improvements to the spectrum are always welcome, but they still fit the standards of LTE, no 5G. So just for you to know, you're not really buying into something cool there. And for those of you that are wondering about the Huawei P30 Pro, obviously I'm about to get on a flight to Paris to be part of the event, but my God, the company pretty much just spilled the beans on it on their website in sort of a, I guess they messed up and they posted and then they pulled it. But yeah, we get confirmation on the design, the specifications of the cameras, we get confirmation of pretty much everything that we've seen in the leaks. Obviously, I'm not gonna bore you, this has to be a short video, so follow the link in the description, it provides all the details. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which was recently leaked in a video. We saw the crease and everything that I'm not really liking from the design of the display, but other than that, we've got some benchmarks of the device, and it seems that this device will only bring Qualcomm processors. And this is rather interesting because I read your comments all the time, and I notice how everybody's like, oh yeah, but I'd love to try with the Exynos and this and that. So in today's question, let us know, I mean, what do you think? Do you like the idea of an all Qualcomm Snapdragon tablet, smartphone, or would you prefer for them to launch an Exynos variant? Because in my case, honestly, I have really enjoyed the performance of the Snapdragon 855, so I'm not complaining. But obviously, we would love to know what you think in the comments down below. And today's episode of the Pocketnow Daily is brought to you by the Honor View 20. This has proven to be one of our favorite phones of the year thanks to a gorgeous and unique back design, a whopping 48 megapixel camera that brings an awesome night mode along with an ultra clarity mode for better photos in all scenarios. It's one of the first with a time of flight sensor for state-of-the-art 3D sensing and better portraits. It's also one of the first with a hole punch design for the selfie camera and one of the smallest we've seen in the market. Price this plus its powerful Kirin 980 processor at just $600, and this is why it's just hard to beat. Follow the link in the description below and learn what makes the Honor View 20 so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week.